this really cute boba tea making kit called BYO Boba, like bring your own boba, on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below, and let's open it. It comes wrapped, but I took off the wrapping because I was too excited and wanted to sneak peek just so I know how to like talk when I'm filming this. So yeah, okay, so let's wiggle this off. Okay, so first looking at it, it has the flavors on the side, which are melon, taro, chocolate, honeydew, and strawberry. So good. And all the teas come in these little packets and they're color coded to match with the flavor. And the instructions are on the side of the box. And on the underside, there's some cool little information. Let me flip it so I can read it. But it says that you can make 5 delicious boba drinks at home with high quality tapioca and fun fruity flavors. Just add hot water for the easiest way to enjoy everyone's favorite authentic Taiwanese treat. So in the box we have all the flavors like it listed. And I'm probably not doing this in the order, but I am going to move it because I'm crazy. Okay, so we have the matcha, taro, chocolate, honeydew, and strawberry all in the order. And then we have some tapioca, and they're in little different colors. So we have 3 of the pink and 2 of the brown. I'm not sure what the difference are, but maybe you know. I'm so sorry, I don't. And then there is bubble wrap, which I love. Toss. And on it is their logo, and they have a website, byoboba.co, so that's cool. And you open it and it comes with this cup and a reusable straw. And it has a little mug thing and it has a bamboo top. So let's remove the mug cover, and it's just a clear with the logo on it as well. So I really wanted this kit specifically because it came with a reusable boba straw, and I've been looking for like a big straw just so I can have it when I get boba, because recently I've been getting boba so much around here, but I don't use a straw, so it's really struggling because sometimes they have that on, like, not a lid but like a plastic cover, so I kind of have to peel it off and just like gulp it down, and I feel like very I don't know, crazy, because all my friends and stuff use like regular straws, so I thought maybe this would make me like feel not like crazy. And this is kind of short, but I did order, due to Prime Day, some like tall like milkshake straws that are clear, so hopefully that will be right. So yeah, let's begin cooking. I decided to go with the strawberry because I have a pink little coat on and I think it's cute, and I'm using the pinkish color tapioca beads or pearls, and I think the amount goes with like corresponds with like the different flavors. So I think like the taro, honeydew, and strawberry go with this one, and then the chocolate and the matcha go with the darker tapioca pearls. So that's how I'm thinking the unevenness of the tapioca goes. It like kind of matches with the flavor, I'm hoping. So yeah, okay, let's read the instructions on the box. It says to boil a kettle and make sure your cup is in its neoprene sleeve for heat protection. I hand washed while I was waiting for the water to boil my straw, the lid, and the cup, but the cup and the straw are machine washable in the dishwasher, but you do have to hand wash the bamboo lid cup. So then after that, you're going to put the boiling water, 150 milliliters, which I'm not going to measure out, I'm just going to feel it out, of water into your cup, and along with the contents of 1 sachet of tea powder and 1 sachet of tapioca. I don't know if I should put the stuff in first and then pour, but I think that's what I'm going to do. So I think I'm going to put this in and then the hot water and then the tapioca and hope that that's how it will work out. So let's cut this. There is a tear line, but I'm not great at tearing things, so I just like to cut things instead. It smells like artificial strawberries, so that's a good sign. Yay! Next, we're going to add our water to the tea mixture. And now we're going to stir with our straw. Now I'm going to squish the tapioca down and make a little cut so I can add them in as well. So now that we've combined everything in here and we've done our stirring, we just let it stand for 10 minutes, and we can speed up and make it cooler by putting it in the fridge or adding ice. I like to put it in the fridge because I don't like to add ice. So after the 10-minute period, I'll probably put it in the fridge so it'll get extra cool. Okay, it's done now. So let's try it out. I let it sit on the counter and then I put it in my fridge and then I put it on my freezer. So let's try it. The little boba pearls, they expanded. So they may have hardened due to being in the freezer, but we'll try it. No, it's really soft and it's so good. I like this fruity. I've always gotten like the dark black one, so this is really interesting. The drink is still hot, but it's really good, so I think I'll put it in the fridge and I might add some like milk or something. So let's try that real quick. BRB. I have some frozen almond milk, so I'm just going to place it in here. If I can fit it. There we go. That's my cute little star donut shape, but I also have some heart shapes, so I'll get that. And here's the little heart-shaped one, so I'm gonna put that in here as well. And we'll give it a stir. Keep the lid back on and try it out. So while I let the ice kind of melt in, my almond milk ice, I wanted to say that I got this new microphone kit from Amazon as well during Prime Day. This one was on sale, though this didn't have the Prime Day sale, sadly, but it was totally worth it. I think this was like one of the cheapest kits, and it came with this boba straw and the cup. This is an awesome kit, and I really recommend it so far. I love this strawberry flavor, and I love this microphone kit. Let's look at it.
It comes with this nice zippable hard case. Here's the kit. It comes with this microphone, and then there's the tripod with the gimbal attachment, and also the phone holder. And also this device goes on top of the phone holder and holds your microphone, and it comes with 2 microphone covers. And here are the connection devices. I also had to buy an iPhone adapter for it. And here's what the product looks like when you put it together. I really like how small and portable it is. The drink looks ready. Let's try it out.
So I hope the sound is definitely better compared to my previous videos. As I start to make more and more videos, and I seem to keep doing this, I definitely want to progress my quality of the videos. So I hope this has been an enjoyable video experience for you guys. Let me know, leave your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye!